I have heard there are some new ways to make money, but I'm gonna do an OG way. A way I don't have no money, but I'm gonna grind myself. That's the entire point of the video. Yeah, perfect. Now where should I start first? I could get a bit of money, get enough to the point where I can go to mansion, I guess. Doing the glitch. But that no one likes that. I need to spend like over 500, 400 for schools. Just the point of this. Yo, look at that, like, that's crazy. I think you can attack him. Oh, that was a bad one. I think them being in photos with no one in it while making a video. I'll be happy. But the only people are actually going to kill them. Toasty's code. Whoa. No. I'm gonna head over here. My controllers, people. How am I still alive? That's the question I really want to answer. How am I still alive? Holy crap. I just have enough money already to do this. Not sewers. Another way. Let's go. We could grow up. Gotta get through here without anything happening. Which means nothing bad. That thing already in the match. Never mind. So I have enough for Haunted Mansion, which is good. It's just easy to do Haunted Mansion. But also, people join me most of the time. Because, like, I'm in my fan code. Which means more people.
Bishop, where are you?
What the?
Go to the grappler area.
Filming a video!
Well, it's too bad I'm there. I'm in the grappler area.
Sorry, guess what? I'm not there. I'm going back to Simpson. I told you in the grappler area?
Not no more.
How are you in the grappler area?
So I grew big with my broccoli while I was up there on the top of the factory.
Hold on a sec. I'm gonna
So I went outside the map.
Really quick.
So I went outside the map, and then I just found where the sewer was, and I jumped out of the. And I jumped into the sewers, and then poop, I'm there. How much money?
100, which is good enough.
Oh, hold on. I have an idea. I'll just
Whatever
share
your
money
idea
with
is,
you.
I'm not gonna do it.
No, not with you at least.
So I'm gonna go to Haunted Mansion. That's what I'm doing. I'm poor. I only have 1,000. If you're wondering who this guy is I'm talking to, he is my brother. He's been on some of my soccer videos. Okay, cool. What the? God, I just lost. No, no. Heck. How did I glitch the game? Oh no, I glitched the game. But I actually didn't at the exact time. I'm in the bottom of Haunted Mansion. I did a glitch. Nothing better than right now in the hard air and making a video. What I really want. My brother not joining me in the middle of a video. Yo, that was a bad idea. Oh my god. Dude, look at that. Let's go. Yo, that's good, dude. Pause. What the? Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, bang. Yes, this is the one that's do Bristol. Hold it. Parkour. Parkour. No, no, no. No! No! Time to make it back up into the air. Or somebody. Ew.
I want to see what you do to get 200 minutes on that quick. Oh, there's.
What the? How did he get through here? Oh god. Oh no. I died. I know. Oh god. I need a grappler. Hold on. Let me see if I have extras. Any extra grapplers? Extra grapplers.
I can buy you some.
Extra grappler. Extra grappler. Oh! 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 Oh!
How did you get that?
Watermelon pickaxe! I just had it. Watermelon pickaxe.
Okay, you ready to go?
No, I'm not sacrificing this pickaxe for her. Watermelon pickaxe.
Okay, you don't have to sacrifice it. Put it away.
Fine. Yeah. So he's
You store 1 extra. So 3 extra.
4 extras. That's 4 extras. What? Can you not count?
I didn't know you stored more. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah.
Right, then we have to see where he is first. Oh my god, he's right there, bro.
Is that where we're supposed to go?
We're supposed to go through here.
Oh, we go into the map. You let him into there. Here, I'll leave him out. Oh shit! He's
Oh my god, I almost just died.
okay. He's chasing me. He's chasing me. Come on.
He's gonna end up trying to hit us. Don't know what you're trying to do.
He's throwing.
Oh my god. What do you mean he's out? I see him. He's not out.
No, for me. He's out. Do you see him right now?
Yeah, I do. I'm like right behind him.
Oh. Ooh, you good?
Yeah.
He's just threw it out. Okay, you ready to go?
I can't.
Oh, he's walked off. Oh, he's going. Is he going back in? Nope. He's not going back in. He's walking away. There.
Yes.
Okay, so where do we go? No! No!
Oh, look at me. He's right behind there. Now you're not enough. Turned out to be a Did I get them all? No. Did I? Ow. Ow, that hurt really good. Stop, please. Down here we go. Bonk, bonk. Bonk. Yoink. Bonk, bonk. Now, for the others. Oh, dang, that was crazy. Why is this bag like, why is nothing coming in here? Look at my other. We gotta watch. Can't lose this watermelon pickaxe. The watermelon pickaxe. That is hungry. Hungry for me to use it. Bop. Think. Yeah. This is starting off good. It's a good sign. Oh, that hurts. I'm coming up. There's a blue up here.
Oh yeah, I love that. It sounded like the village. You should have done the first one.
Was that the only blue that came actually up here?
Do you want to risk your life?
No.
I'll grab your water. Oh my god.
Doesn't do that much damage. None. None. Nothing. Right now. No blues.
Oh, they're runes.
Minute, let me mind these. It's literally why I came here.
Oh yeah, I'm grabbing the red.
Then I said I mine them and I collect
I'm
them.
mining them.
I said I mine them and I collect them. Are you deaf?
You said I collect. I came to collect. Not to collect. There's one out there. Should I get it?
But we all can get that, and we all know. So, look. Oh god, oops.
Bro, you're too heavy.
See, I told you.
Go.
We're in.
Oh, there's more food.
Oh, remember, I collect them. They're collecting the reds and middle.
Yeah.
Oh my god, stop mining them so quick. I would mine them one at a time. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this?
Is he ready to go now?
Bag ain't full, bro. Bag ain't full.
How do you know if your bag's full?
You can't pick nothing up. Boom. Got your answer. Ew. Maybe you should go down here. Ew. Actually, there's just some reds I could mine. Probably have a chance of getting some company coins. So. Probably not. Nope. Yeah.
I'm going to sell. See ya.
Bye-bye. Ugh. Yep. Oh my god, there's so much blues over here. It's crazy. Let's go. Hey. Oh, my controller's like beep, beep, bop, bop, beep, 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 bop, bop. My bag is almost full. If you watch my videos in here, you can call me Rex or you can call me Tim. Doesn't matter. Guys. Making videos are hard. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I know I can take a break if you guys want to, but it's fine. Look at other YouTubers, bro. They post like every day. Like, take a look at Posty, bro. Either like every 2 days there's a new post. I can't even walk. Gas, step on the gas. Wait. Oh. I need a band-aid, guys. I might have a chance of getting that one. Just gotta get my pickaxe with this. Yeah, I'm gonna need a pickaxe. I'm gonna do a long jump, but grab it and then I'm gonna run. Stupid idea. Stupid idea. Ow! Yeah. And cooked. But not for real. Cooked. Can I hold any more? I accidentally collected some. You ain't going anywhere. Just go. Oh, never mind. You are going somewhere. According to my calculations. Oh god. Yes, I'm out, finally. Ooh, accidentally hit something. If this is some good amount of money, if I pass at least 10, if I get to 10K, we can quit the video. Come on, let's see. Let's go! That would be it for today's video of grinding money. Because I was really poor, and now I got 14K. See you guys next time.